Disorganized attachment, a deep dive into the confusing world of human connections. Have you ever felt torn between wanting to be close to someone and feeling terrified of getting hurt by them? Or maybe you've noticed this push and pull dynamic in others but never understood why. In today's video, we're diving deep into the fascinating, yet complex, world of disorganized attachment. A unique and often misunderstood attachment style that affects how people form and maintain relationships. Stick around, because understanding this topic could transform how you see yourself and others. 1. What is attachment theory? Attachment theory, pioneered by psychologist John Bowlby, explains how the bonds we form in childhood with our caregivers shape our future relationships. These bonds fall into categories: secure, avoidant, anxious, and disorganized. While secure attachment is the ideal, disorganized attachment stands out as the most complex and often challenging type. 2. What is disorganized attachment? Disorganized attachment occurs when a child experiences inconsistent and contradictory behavior from their primary caregiver. Imagine a child seeking comfort but also feeling fear from the very person they turn to for safety. This creates a confusing dynamic where the child doesn't know whether to approach or avoid the caregiver, leading to a conflicted and chaotic way of relating to others. 3. How does it develop? Disorganized attachment often arises in environments of trauma, neglect, or abuse. If a caregiver is both a source of comfort and fear, perhaps due to emotional volatility, substance abuse, or unresolved trauma, the child grows up without a clear sense of safety. This confusion can manifest in adulthood as difficulty trusting others, fear of abandonment, and inconsistent relationship patterns. 4. The push-pull dynamic in relationships. Adults with disorganized attachment may desperately crave closeness but fear vulnerability. This can lead to a push-pull dynamic. They might draw someone close, only to push them away when the relationship feels too intense. The underlying fear is often a dread of rejection or betrayal, making intimacy feel both desirable and dangerous. 5. Emotional and behavioral indicators. Some signs of disorganized attachment in adults include difficulty regulating emotions, fear of abandonment, coupled with difficulty trusting others, a tendency to sabotage relationships when they become too close, struggles with self-worth, and a persistent sense of inner conflict. These behaviors are often unintentional, rooted in deep-seated fears and unresolved childhood experiences. 6. Impact on mental health. Disorganized attachment doesn't just affect relationships. It also takes a toll on mental health. It's often linked to anxiety, depression, and even dissociative disorders. Understanding the root causes of these struggles can be the first step toward healing and growth. 7. Can disorganized attachment be healed? The good news is, yes, it can. Healing disorganized attachment involves therapy. Working with a skilled therapist can help individuals explore their past, understand their attachment style, and develop healthier ways of relating to others. Mindfulness practices. Techniques like mindfulness and meditation can help individuals become more aware of their emotional triggers and learn to respond more calmly. Secure relationships. Building relationships with securely attached individuals can provide a model for healthy, stable connections. 8. Building awareness and compassion. If you resonate with the signs of disorganized attachment, remember, it's not your fault. Your brain and heart were shaped by early experiences beyond your control. What matters now is how you choose to understand and address these patterns. Developing self-compassion and seeking support are crucial steps in breaking the cycle. Understanding disorganized attachment isn't just about fixing relationships. It's about reclaiming your sense of self and learning to feel safe in the world again. Whether you're navigating this journey yourself or supporting someone else through it, remember, growth is possible and healing is within reach. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Let's continue to explore the human mind and heart, one topic at a time. See you in the next video.